Okay, so to add more ductwork, you would have to come out from here, your plenum. So it's like about 3 feet, or 3 feet, or 3 feet, or 3 feet, and then down this way. As you can tell, these are longer ones, more money, which we could also buy. It's just more money. Instead of the 3 foot, we could buy bigger size ones. It's still the same cost. It's just longer, less, smaller pieces. Okay, so this one is done like this, straight down for each room. That one goes to the refrigeration place, and then you got 1 and 2 for the real estate, and then you guys have another unit here for this. There's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, which is 2 for this shop, I guess, and 2 for you guys, which I did not service this unit. It was this unit that I serviced. Okay, so